家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. 我们这个月可能要教一些跟动作、表情有关的啦，哭哭笑笑的啦，
好啊，
好不好？笑就是笑嘛
对
，right?
啊
That's laugh or to smile. 笑。
我想到了，频道得奖了，我们都开心的大笑起来。
哦 ，Alice 是在间接恭喜我吗？
恭喜你哦！
因为最近得到了金钟奖。Yeah, let's teach you this, okay? I heard you won the award, so we were all happy and smiled.
糖豆得獎咧，
糖豆得獎咧，
我哋都歡喜，
我哋都歡喜，
笑到太馬故上，
笑到太馬故上，就是笑到怎麼樣？大笑嗎？Okay, those are big smiles and laughters, basically. Okay, 那還有別的狀況可能會笑，可能是人家講笑話的時候啊。
笑到飆淚。
對，所以 let's teach you this. 主持人講的笑話，大家聽了都笑到飆淚。The host cracked a joke, and we all laughed till our tears dropped.
主持人講笑，
主持人講笑，
大家糖咧，
大家糖咧，
笑到出木子。
笑到出木子。That means you laugh until you're teared up. That means it's very funny. 就是很好笑的意思。
但是我跟你講，笑南部人是說那。
哦，是哦，所以刚刚讲可以用那来代替。Okay, so if you're from southern Taiwan, the dialect is a little different. For laugh, it's actually na. Let's review some of the phrases we taught you, including winning an award, 得奖
得獎
and then tearing up, 飆淚
出木子
出木子 and then finally, laugh, 笑
笑
or na. And there you have it. Now you know it's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
但是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.